Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm just gonna be showing you all my fidgets. Okay. So there was actually just a huge storm outside. Even one of the tables broke that were outside. I've just been since I've since I've done, like, I've shown you guys my fidgets. So yeah. And if you're new to my channel, like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and let's get on to the video. Oh, I finally found this because I don't know what happened to it a while ago. Found my star cube. And if my cousin Charlotte is watching this right now, this thing's really fun, and I hope you can trade it with me, Charlotte. Okay, so yeah, there's this. I'm just gonna dump it all out really. La la la. Sorry. Background YouTube. I was watching myself, but then I saw interesting videos, so I watched it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this basket right there next to me, and I will put my fidget I already showed you in there. Okay, I'm guessing my I should have done this the other way. But yeah, it's a puppet. I'm gonna do a fidget ASMR really soon. Because I've already done one, but it wasn't really that long. It was like 5 seconds, so. Okay, this one, and then its twin, Square Puppet. Okay. Most of these you've already seen in videos. I love this one. It's called a textured palette. Back is squishy. Okay. Sorry about background noise. Sorry. It's just a movie the grown-ups are watching. I'm still such a small YouTube channel, and please just subscribe. I only have 7 subscribers when I made this video. I might have more by the time it's posted. But please, I need more subscribers. I have and there's almost 600 views on my videos. With all of them together. There's only 1% of people subscribe to my videos. So go subscribe and be part of that 1%. Maybe we can make it 5% even. So the next one is this. Same, I hope you've seen this one in my videos. Sadly, my cousin Charlotte, the one who fidget traded with me in my videos, she's moving to Texas really soon. And I've been disappointed, but hey, they need to. They'll visit. So yeah, I got this one. So yeah. Oh my god, I should do this for ASMR. Okay. Next one. They're all in videos. Except this one. It's a squishy cat. It's a fat little squishy mochi. I like that. So yeah, there's a squishy mochi foam, because most of the time mochis are not foam. There's this one. I love this one. This is the sock girls. Yeah, I like that one. Next, this is one of my older fidgets. These are Squish. This is Scratch. And this is Paul. So I got that one. Fidget Scratcher. Those are not the most popular ones. These are called egg poppers. Egg poppers. You squish the egg like that. Squish it back. So I like these. They're pretty fun. A homemade one dot dimple. This one's not the one that works. Here, this is the one that works. There's a sticker on it. Well, wasted. Okay. Homemade one dot dimple. And then I have a homemade homemade simple dimple. And I'm thinking about making a shop soon where I'm going to sell slime and fidget mystery boxes. So that might be happening. Just don't get your hopes up too high, because you never know. This is one that doesn't work, but it's still fun actually to play with. But yeah. Earth rings. These are not popular, but because these are one of the older fidgets, they are so fun. They're made of metal, but they're so cool. They're not really made that much anymore. So yeah. Wait, I think I might have found a hidden compartment I haven't known about. Oh my god. Never knew they did that. It's like globe rings. Wait, let me do this and I'll show you guys. These are so cool. Like, they move everywhere. This is so cool. So, you could just fold those back up like nothing. That is really cool. Got that so long ago, though. This hearts thing, I think I'm gonna cut this open and get whatever's squishy inside and make a really good fidget out of it. Should I? I think I'm going to, yeah. Slinky. Did you guys know Slinkies count as fidgets? I just found that out. Well, you do fidget with them. They're really fun. I fidget with them always. But yeah, I have... Okay, but I have 3 whole Slinkies. Probably way more down there in a bucket. So these mostly are homemade. That's squishy. I'm gonna for sure cut this one open. I don't like that one, so I'm gonna skip that. This one I love. Squish this. This is like the foam bead size. This is the regular bead. Okay, silly putty. Ooh, I just got a text. I'll do. Okay, more fidget scratchers. Okay, almost done. Mario slot machine. I'm almost out of time. Ah, this squish. This squish. And the rest of this stuff. And the video's gonna end any second, so bye guys! Wait, it didn't end. Bye.